a beautiful, beautiful Thursday today. I'm very excited because I am going to get my brows laminated. This is something that I've done twice before. I did it right before my wedding and I did it again, I want to say maybe like 7 or 8 weeks ago or so. So I'm going in today to get another brow lamination because I feel like it's an amazing complement to my microblading, and it really has my eyebrows looking flawless on a regular basis. So I'm gonna walk you through my experience going to my girl Liz. You might know her from my videos about doing my lash extensions. She's fabulous and she just recently started doing brow lamination. So let's go. I will warn everyone, the only thing I don't like about this is
the smell.
The smell! It smells like rotten eggs. But it's worth it.
Doing is changing the pH in both your hair to bring it back to regular skin levels.
Oh, interesting.
So I'm going to be measuring you out in a couple different ways just to make sure that I have your shape perfectly for your dimensions. So right now I'm using a brow paste.
Okay.
Pretty awesome. And what it does is it basically works as a barrier. So the tinting won't get on the skin, won't harm the skin or color the skin.
Oh, okay. That's great.
So now I am applying regenerating cream. So it basically keeps the brows hydrated, healthy, and also gives it a nice sleek look.
So I made it home from my appointment and I am just so happy with how my brows turned out. They look perfect. So full, symmetrical. Like, I love the shape that she gave me, and just the entire procedure is just such a great compliment to my microblading. So I'm really happy with how they came out. And the reason I'm showcasing brow lamination in the first place is because I know that I shared the microblading video, and microblading is kind of pricey, although I do absolutely recommend it. If you're someone who is not yet ready to pull the trigger on microblading, I think brow lamination is a great place to start. You only have to get it done like once every 6 to 7 weeks. So that's a really good amount of time to not have to, you know, fill in your brows or anything like that. So I definitely recommend it if you want to give it a try. And if you have microblading and you've been looking for a solution to help your brow hairs stand up, brow lamination is key. Oh my goodness, I cannot stress this enough. That was one thing that was really frustrating for me with my microblading. It was the fact that my brow hairs would always be down, so you could see the microblade strands and it just looked like two separate entities, and it just didn't really flow and it didn't look as full as I would like it to. So this makes it perfect, and I definitely recommend it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it inspired anyone who's considering doing one or the other or both, and it inspired you to get it done. So thank you so much again for watching. If you have any additional questions, comments, concerns, or feedback, please be sure to leave them in the comments section below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know my next video goes live. Thank you so much again for watching. Until next time.